Mostly buckle up.
Alright guys, I am done for today at my cousin's mom's house and his car. I actually stayed a lot longer to button up everything, and I got the turbo manifold here because I'm going to be making the downpipe dump tube and then a piece of the charge pipe. That is the last pieces to the puzzle other than fluids, and the car should be fired over hopefully tomorrow. So I went to the P.O. box earlier. I got this Prime package and let's open it together. I know that brand. I used to work at a tool company. Oh, that is freaking awesome. Okay, a gift for you. Hi Dana, I appreciate the content. I was just watching your B16A32 video, and after watching you smash your finger multiple times, I figured you could definitely use one of these from Josh Bolin. Starlet 18A automatic with adjustable stroke. Oops. This is dope. I believe I had a Harbor Freight one like this a long time ago, and you know, tools just keep disappearing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So thank you, Josh, for this piece right here. I'm definitely going to put a string on it so I don't lose it. And this right here will definitely come in handy. Much appreciated.
They did an update on the Android. That shit zooms pretty good, but it's all blurry once you zoom.
Look at the camera. Oh, look at that. Lick right on my lens.
Baby up.
looks like I'm gonna cut out.
One more time. Half crank. Keep going, a couple times. I'm gonna double check for oil leaks. Keep going. Ready? Open it. Fire it. Hold the gas a little bit.